Bowser Jr. Excuse me, Mr. Shy Guy. Yes, Bowser Jr. Can I up to the... locker? Okay, make sure you're right back, okay? Bowser, this is Bowser Jr. Oh, don't worry, Mr. Mario Simon says... He says, I'm gonna set the alarm off. He said, Bowser? It's Junior. What's this? Fire alarm. Bowser Junior says, if he does, he's gonna do. I'm gonna set the fire alarm off. He says, I'm gonna set the fire alarm off. What did he say? He's gonna, no, I don't want this one. Bowser Jr. says, ready? He's gonna do, I'm gonna set the fire alarm. Here goes nothing. Everyone, follow me, line up. And everyone, everyone line up here. I'm just doing a little video. This video is let me go check. Let me go check. Bowser Jr. set the fire alarm off in my video. It just was key. After the fire drill, he does. After the fire drill, yes. Everyone, back in. Bowser, not that doesn't do. Bowser Jr., in you go. Not that. Warning. Jr. This is. Whoever set off the fire alarm, I want to see that student now, please. After, hang on a sec. We'll just do the class back up. Class. Can anyone explain who set off the fire alarm? Me. Bowser Jr. who's the only one in the building who came out last. Yes. In fact, it was actually Bowser Jr. Bowser Jr., do you have an explanation why he set off the fire alarm? You do know it's a criminal offence to do. Do you have an explanation? Yeah, I set off the fire alarm because it was a funny prank. That is right. That is not a funny prank at all. Whenever the fire alarm goes off, we take them very seriously. Go to the principal's office now. I gotta go to the principal's office. So, what brings you here, Bowser Jr.? Well, I set the fire alarm off. Explain to me why you set the fire alarm off. I did it as a prank. That is not a funny prank at all. Whenever the fire alarm goes off, we take them very seriously. We take them very seriously. I know it's not connected to the other system. This is my one, isn't it? But this is Mario Simon speaking. Fan 27 speaking. Do you realise it's dangerous? Whenever the fire alarm goes off, we take it very seriously. Right, you're suspended for 4 months. Go home now. I can't believe. Why are you home now? I had a call from the principal. He said that you set the fire alarm off. Is this true? Yes, it is. Right. You're in timeout for about... For 5 hours. I'm going to put you in the corner. You're in timeout for... Stay there for 10 hours now. You're going to stay there for 10 hours. By the way, your timeout. Stay in the corner for 10 hours. And think about what you did.